Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Chime. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, I want you to note that you can only request a withdrawal to a platform that you have used to deposit funds into your Prizepick account with previously. Okay? And you need to meet the minimum threshold, which is at least $10. Okay, and if you deposited $10 at least, then you need to at least have a withdrawal of $10. Okay, and you can request to any bank account or PayPal or even Chime, okay, that you have previously used to deposit funds in your account. So what you need to do to request a withdrawal, you want to navigate to the menu, which is located at the top left corner of the PrizePicks app. Okay, and if you're accessing your account on a browser, the menu is on the top right hand corner, and from here, guys, you can select the request withdrawal. And what's going to happen, guys, is a one-time password will be sent to you via email as soon as you request your withdrawal. And then what they're going to do is they're going to send an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not, and you're going to give it at least 24 hours to reflect on your account. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.